Say what you want to say.
Trains are awesome.
No, say some more stuff.
Trains are... So there's a kind of train which actually uses veggie power to drive it to make it warm. My favorite train is Subways, and my favorite one, which is here, is right here. And these are some of my favorite Subways. I love Subways. I love trains. I love everything except for dinosaurs. Everything is awesome. And I love Subways. I have toys of them. I have my favorite one. I have a bee and a special one. I love everything. Pretty much. Trains pollute, but not all of them pollute. Some don't and some do. My favorite steam train on this page is right here. And this story is gonna be a wings. This is gonna be the last train one. This is a space and train story, and it's about to go off now. Okay,
I think a third of the people on Earth should go to Mars. I think another third of the people on Earth should go to Europa. I think the last third should stay on Earth, but then there would not be as much people there, so you wouldn't need to burn as much fossil fuels and stuff, and you wouldn't have to use as much resources, so that would be super awesome. At least I think so. Anyway, bye-bye.
but minutes, 10 minutes, 1 minute. Now it's just 30 seconds. 30 seconds? That's why this one goes on. I will like to...
Blah, 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 blah. What are you going to say?
Everything is awesome. Everything is good. Why do you walk in a team?
Look at that.
No. Let's arrange everything. Dumpity dum 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 dum.
Trains in space and a bunch of unrelated things.
And a bunch of... Yeah.